Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a function that has two parameters. So we're going to create a function, we're going to call it chopped, and it's going to take a word, and it's going to take a size for how much you want to chop it, and it's going to return the word chopped down to the size. So I'm using the colon to give me a left text. So we'll see in a moment an example. So there's my function. And now I'm going to create a variable which is going to take input. What is your name? Shortened equals int. Got to cast it into an integer. Input. Input. Shortened to, and then I'm going to put these two variables into my function. So I'm going to call my chopped function, and I'm going to replace the word size parameters with the arguments your name and shortened. Okay. Now when I run this, what's your name? Neil, shortened to 3. Oops, I haven't printed it out, so I've got to print that out. Oops. Let's try that again. What is your name? Sunil, shortened to 3. Son.